Good morning, everybody. In this screencast, I'm going to walk you through how to make sure that your Zoom account is logged in through your AAPS email. Starting on Tuesday, when we see you guys next, we're going to be turning on a setting that makes it so that if you are not logged in with your AAPS email, it's not going to let you into class, and we won't be able to know where you are. Okay? So it's super important that we get this taken care of today. So what I'm going to do first thing you're going to do, obviously, is we're going to open up an internet browser. So let's open up Google Chrome. Oops, and it's opening it in another window. So let me just pull another a couple monitors going. So pull that into the screen. All right, so we've got our Google Chrome screen here. And the way we're going to check this is we're going to go to zoom.us. Okay. This is the Zoom homepage. We're going to come up to sign in. Now in this sign in page, okay, you could sign in with an email address, okay? But the easiest way to do it is to come down here and click sign in with Google. Okay. Now it didn't do that for me because it remembered me, okay? But if for you, what it's going to do is it's going to give you a little window, right? That's going to ask you to pick a Google address. If your AAPS address comes up in that window, you click that, and then you're going to enter the password that's the same as what you would log into Schoology with. Okay. Once you have done that, you're going to come into this screen, the same screen that I'm in, this profile screen, and you're going to come down here to this sign in email right here, this screen. And you can see how mine shows, it's got my part of my username here, part of it is blocked out, but it's at aaps.k12.mi.us. Yours has to look like this, okay? If it doesn't, you're going to come over to edit, okay? You're going to enter your AAPS address here, okay? And then you're going to enter the password that you would enter to sign into Schoology. And then you're going to click on this I'm not a robot, the CAPTCHA here, and you're going to go through that process. Okay? If you have any trouble during this, you guys need to let us know so that we can help walk you through it. Okay? The other thing to remember is you're not going to log into our Zoom meetings anymore through Schoology. You're going to log in through Zoom. Okay? So let's say you come to zoom.us. This time, since we're logged in, it just gives you these three options. You can go to My Account, Host a Meeting, or Join a Meeting. You're going to click Join a Meeting. And then it's going to ask you for a meeting ID. Your meeting ID for today is, sorry, I had it up here, is 912-1384-8705. And then you're going to, oops, put that wrong. Sorry about that. 912-1384. Let's do that. Let's try that one. 912-1384-8705. It's being weird. 912-1384-8705. There we go. And then you click join. Okay. Today, it's going to require a password. The password is AAPS123. In the future, you won't have to put in the password. You'll just have to put in the meeting code. This meeting code will stay the same for a while. Okay? So if you want to write that down and say this is the code I use for Varsity Band, that would be fine. All right? Hope that makes sense, guys. We're obviously around to help with it, so if you need us to help, let us know.